In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam not opening games. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of reasons why Steam might not be opening games, so what we're going to do is go through a few quick fixes, and that should hopefully get you back up and running and playing games on Steam. Now, to start with, what you're going to want to do is just minimize Steam if you've got it opened, come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, type run, and then open up run underneath best match. Now, once you've got your run box opened, what you want to do is type the following command, which is steam followed by a colon / flush config, and then one more / and then hit enter on your keyboard. So what that's going to do is clear the Steam cache. And once you've done that, what you can do is open back up Steam, and what you want to do is come to your games library and find the game that you're wanting to play but won't open or launch on Steam. So I'm going to use this game as an example. Now, the first thing you're going to do is right click onto the game in the games menu on the left hand side, come down and click onto properties, and once the properties window is opened, come over to the left hand side and click onto installed files. Now, once you're on installed files, what you need to do is at the bottom you can see there's going to be an option which says verify this game's files are installed correctly. All you need to do is click the button here to verify integrity of game files. Now, this process can take a minute or two to run through, but basically it's going to look for any corrupted or damaged files. And if it does pick anything up, then Steam's going to attempt to repair and re-download those files to fix the game and hopefully get it working again for you. So just bear with this, it does take a minute or two, but once it's done, you're going to get a confirmation saying successfully validated, and then what you can do is close it down. Now, once you've done this, come back to the game on the left hand side, again right click, and what you want to do this time is come and hover over manage, and then click onto browse local files. Now, what it's going to do is open up the game folder window like this. From here, you want to find the actual game file. So it's going to be a .exe file. So you just want to scroll through all these different files. You can see it's going to look something like this with the game icon, and it's going to say application. And what you want to do is click to highlight this, right click onto it, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto properties. Now, what it's going to do is open a window like this. From here, come up to the top and click onto compatibility. And then what you want to do is turn on the option to run this program as an administrator, and also to disable full screen optimizations. Once that's done, click apply and OK. And then what you can do is close this down, and we're going to minimize Steam. Next, what you're going to want to do is open up your device manager. So come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In here, type device manager, and then open up your device manager. That should be coming up underneath best match. Now, once your device manager is opened, what you want to do is look for display adapters. So you can see there's a number of different things in here. We want to find display adapters and click the small arrow next to this. So this is going to display your graphics card. So for myself, you can see mine's an NVIDIA GeForce. What you want to do is find it, give it a click, and then right click, and on this menu, click onto update driver. So on the window that comes up, click onto search automatically for drivers, and make sure that your drivers are up to date for your graphics card, as this could potentially be a reason why your Steam games are not opening. Once you've done that, there's one final thing you're going to want to do, which is to check for any Windows updates. So from your desktop, come again to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type updates, and you should see check for updates come up underneath best match. Give that a click, and it's going to tell you if there's any available updates. If there is, then click the download and install button. And of course, after installing any updates, make sure to restart your computer. Now, after restarting your computer and going through and following all these methods and tips, you should now be able to open up games on Steam. So Steam should now open games successfully. If you are still having problems, then what I would recommend doing is finding the game that you're having problems, that you're trying to open, right click onto the game itself, come down to manage, and what you want to do is click onto uninstall and basically just reinstall the game onto your PC or laptop. By doing that, that should fully reinstall the game and enable you to play the game successfully. So that's how to fix Steam not opening games. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.